Hello YouTube, and today I'm going to show you how to fix this problem where there's no flow of water coming out the tap, like so. As you can hear, the cold is definitely trying to push through, but the hot, there's hardly anything. The first things what you're going to do is you're going to head on underneath and check that the isolation valves are open and that the pipework isn't kinked or anything strange blocking the kitchen tap. So with that all fine, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to unspin the tip of the tap like so and clean any debris inside the tap. So to do this, take it all off and put it to one side. You can get yourself a knife and pin all the parts. So with that removed, test the tap, and as you can see the flow is much better. So this tells you that this is the problem, and as you can see there's plenty of dirt and limescale in there. So take it apart, give it a good clean up. These are all the parts. As you can see there's good flow through that, but these parts are quite restricted and they do need a good clean. So clean them out, and with them nice and clean, especially this blue one, this is the main issue, give that a good clean out and then put it all back together, and that should be the job done. If this video has been helpful to you, then please subscribe to the channel, give it a like and leave a comment if you've got a different problem that you need sorting. Then maybe we can discuss your problem. I hope this video has helped. I hope you have a good day. See you around soon.